Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing great. Anyone new who are watching our channel for the first time, this channel is all about you. That means about your career, how to get placed, or what are the opportunities that company has been providing to the young minds. So this is all about you, so that you never miss out any opportunity that company is providing you. So if you want to any job opportunity or any competitions or any updates of the companies, so please do subscribe, like, share, and subscribe to our channel so that it will be beneficial for all. So today I'm gonna sharing you the biggest opportunity of people who are willing or aspiring to be a part of Google. So as I know that many of persons who are graduating 2025 people are want to get into the product based companies, then this is the best opportunity that Google is providing to you as a web solution engineer. This is for 2025 passed out. So they are asking minimum qualifications as bachelor degrees, or you must be experience in Java, C++, or Python, or experience in also SQL, technical design, web technologies, troubleshooting, and stakeholder management. This is the minimum qualifications they are expecting as a fresher. And also there is a preferred qualification that are bachelor degree or advanced degree in computer science or computer engineering. Experience working with ad tech products like ad server, DSPs, DMPs, or web analytics, and also excellent project management and leadership skills that you must have, and also excellent problem solving skills and ability to formulate data driven proposals, and also excellent return earned verbal business communication skills. These are what the minimum and preferred qualifications they are asking for this particular web solution engineer role. And also they are mentioning that by applying to this position you will have an opportunity to share your preferred working location. So you can select your preferred working location based on these cities: Hyderabad, Telangana, India, or Bangalore, Karnataka, India, or Gorgan, Haryana, India. These are the three main cities. They are you can choose among them. The responsibilities they want from you as a fresher is you must collect requirements and provide guidance and best practices to apply to add products and technologies. And also you must be responsible for proactively scoping, designing, or other stuff. And also you must leverage engineering skills to adapt existing bespoke ad solution created by regional teams into globally scaled solution that can support customers. And also you must have owned the solution lifecycle from the discovery to the launch. So this is minimum qualifications and responsibilities they are expecting from you as a fresher. So people who are aspiring for the product based companies, please don't miss out this opportunity. 2025 passed out, please do apply this job is still open. I don't know that how fast it will close, because I think it is opened a week before. So please apply as soon as you see this video. I'll provide this link in the description, so please check out, apply. And also the main point you must have is please add these qualifications to your resume so that ATS can take out your resume, like you can stand out of overall lakhs of applicants, right? So please add this all these qualifications in your resume so that ATS identify you as a best fit for this particular role to you. So please do not miss this opportunity. If you have any problem or if you have any doubt while applying, please let me know in the comment section. I'm happy to clear your doubts. So yeah, thank you.